Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video. And today I'll be showing you how to disable TalkBack on your Galaxy A17, all versions, okay? First, if your phone is on the lock screen and you don't know how to unlock it, you'll click any button. With two fingers on the screen, you'll swipe from bottom to top like this. You'll click once right here, and then you'll enter your password. If your password is numbers, you must click once to select the number, and then twice in a row to confirm the number you typed, okay? Now here, to move around the screen, you'll move with two fingers on the screen, and we have to go into the settings icon. It would be one click to select and two clicks to confirm. So here, we'll go to this search bar, one click to select, two clicks to confirm. And we'll type the word TalkBack. Okay, we're going to type TalkBack. When TalkBack appears, you'll click here once to select and twice to confirm. We've entered TalkBack. Always one click to select and two clicks to confirm. Should we scroll down? No. We'll click here to deactivate TalkBack. And in this way, we have TalkBack deactivated. So that was today's video. I hope I've helped you. If I helped, don't forget to like, leave your comment down below, and if possible, subscribe to the channel for more videos.